Did Bitcoin get you interested in other altcoins? Here's how to buy Ethereum, its fiercest rival, using your credit card. It takes just 3 steps. First thing first, you need a trustworthy and intuitive crypto exchange. If you're unsure of where to start, you might want to go for one that has been on the market for a while, such as CEX.IO. The next step is registering an account. This process doesn't take long. You'll be asked to provide your full name and a valid email address to get started, followed by a quick KYC process to get verified. Have a photo ID ready to save time. To start purchasing ETH, link your credit card with your account. Visa and MasterCard are the 2 major providers that most crypto platforms accept. To add a credit card to your account, you need to provide your credit card number and expiration date. And now the fun starts. After linking the card to your account, you're all set to purchase ETH. The 2 most popular ways to buy coins and tokens on CEX.IO are trade orders and instant purchases. Trade orders enable you to set the price at which you'd like to purchase crypto. This way, you can have more control over your trading. As the name itself suggests, instant purchases allow you to buy crypto in a few clicks. At CEX.IO, you need to go to the Instant Buy page, enter the amount you'd like to purchase, and choose your card as a payment method. Once completed, your coins and tokens will be deposited into your account within seconds. Want to learn more about trading cryptocurrencies? Subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking on the subscribe button below. For more in-depth articles and guides, visit CEX.IO University, link is in the description. Thanks for watching, and may the markets trend in your favor.